Athani, HOD of Computer Department. Today we are studying this experiment number 1 and 2 practicals. See here, first is what? Set up a Java programming development environment and test using small programs. Practical significance. Java is a popular platform which is used to develop various applications for the systems as well as embedded devices like mobile, laptop, tablets and many more. It is the object-oriented programming language. Students will able to set up the Java environment for executing Java programs using command prompt or using different IDE like Eclipse. JCreator and test the setup using small Java programs. So this basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practices, engineering tools, individual teamwork, communication, these are the program outcomes. So develop the applications using Java. The practical is expected to develop the following skills. Set up the Java environment for executing Java programs. Execute simple programs by setting the path variable and set up a Java programming development environment using command prompt and using IDE. So relevant course outcomes. Develop the programs using object-oriented methodology in Java and practical outcomes. Set up Java programming development environment. Relevant effective domain-related outcomes. Follow safety practices and practice the good housekeeping. Demonstrate working as a leader and follow the ethical practices. Minimum theoretical background Java language is compiled and interpreted. So how to install this software JDK? How to install this JDK? See here, first step is what? You have to download this JDK, and after this downloading, you have to double click the setup file. So next is what? Follow the on-screen instructions, and when the setup is done, the complete screen appears. Click on the finish button. So you are here. Click on JDK download 1.8 version and click on this what version, and whichever this one you have to go on. In this my PC is already installed, that's why I am not downloading. Otherwise first time you are installing, click on this download setup file. Is it clear? And after that download this setup file and follow the on-screen instructions. When the setup is done, the complete screen appears and click on the finish button. So the JDK will be installed in your PCs. And after that, here system. And if not, then path setup variable, path environment variable. How to set this? Click on start, control panel and system. Go to this one, start button, control panel, system, and system properties dialog box will be appear, and select the advanced tab, environment variable. In this environment variable, you have to this one. Here click on this control panel, and then system. This system. Click on this system and advanced system settings, and here click on this environment variables, and here click on this, here select the path and edit variables, and then you have to where your bin path is there, that path you have to paste it. Here in this PC already it is set the environment variables. Is it clear? So where this bin path is there, how you have to get this bin path? Click on C drive and then C program files and then Java file where it is Java file, Java file, and then JDK, and then bin. So this path you have to control C, and then you have to paste in this environment variables. I think it is clear how to set the environment variables. And after that, next is what? So open Notepad and write the program in the Notepad and save the file with file name with .java extension in the some directory, and the file name must be same as that of the class name containing main method, and open the DOS prompt and change the directory. See here, simple program for this. Open this Notepad. So already I have written this program. Open. Open. So what? Hello Java. Hello.java file is there. You have to open this. So this is a Hello Java program. Save this file with same name, hellojava.java. This is the same file as that of the class name. You have to save this and come to this one, what? Command prompt. And then you have to, where your program is there, you have to come. So where I save this file, save as I am taking this path. So Control C I am getting. And here change directory, cd means change directory, and click on this path where your program is there. So where it is m directory, so I am setting m and colon, and then path will come in. Here there is no need to set the path because we already set the path here. Directly I am compiling this Java C, so small caps lock on of Java C, and then what is the file name? Hello Java. Hello Java. What is this? Java is capital or small one? Hello Java. Hello.java.java. And then once the compilation is, no errors are there, then the class file will be created, and after that you have to execute the program. Hello Java. So, is it clear? Welcome to Java programming. So, this is what about the first experiment. So, save this, then I am clicking this. And this is what the first. Hello Java, how to run this program. And write the installation directory for the path of the directory. I have already shown that C, program file, Java folder, and JDK. And inside this JDK bin path is there. And how to set this environment variables. My computer, advanced tab, environment variables, and then you have to set the path. And main method is declared as a static, justifies. Java main method is always static so that the compiler can call it without the creation of the object before the creation of the object of the class, or there is a before creation of the object. So when the main method is static, when you are making the main method as a static, it is common to all the object. For all entire class it is common, and if any program, Java program main method is starting point where the compiler start the execution, so the compiler needs the main method. The execution compiler search for the main method of the class and start the execution from the main method only. That's why main method is necessary. And write a program is named with a class containing main method justifies. Note that the main method is defined with curly braces, is declared with the three keywords public, static, and void. Public means what? This method is public, therefore available to anyone. It is a public. And static, this method can be run without having to create the instance of that class. And void, this method is not returning anything, null, it is a return type. And next, string, array of string arg. This method takes the string arguments. Note that the argument args can be anything. It is common to use args but could instead call this string array. So it takes the values in terms of the array of strings. Is it clear? I think it is.